आज परवरी पुलिस स्टेशन में एक वाइट कॉलर क्रिमिनल को अरेस्ट किया. He is a bank fraudster. He was arrested from Bangalore and now brought to Goa, and he has been remanded for 4 days police custody. Basically, the person belongs to Dharwad in Karnataka. Name is Dilip Rajegowda, son of Rajegowda, age 32 years. By education mechanical engineer है. 2014 मैसूर SJC कॉलेज से पास आउट किया है. The accused worked in different insurance companies. He took the path of crime in 2019, and after that he has committed lot of offences. In Goa, he cheated 2 banks, Punjab National Bank and Indian Overseas Bank. Punjab National Bank के manager had given a complaint in Parwari police station in last year, on the basis of which we had registered an offence under section 419, 468, 471, 420 IPC, and we had taken up investigation. It was a very complicated crime. The basic modus operandi of the criminal was he used to take invoices from car showrooms to submit it to the banks, and in the invoices or quotation he used to change the bank account number to his account number and ask the banks to transfer money to his that particular account number. After that, once he received the money, he used to use this money for his purposes, and sometimes he used this money to buy cars, which he used to sell to another person, and from there he used to take further money. So in this particular fraud in which we had registered FIR, he had purchased a Honda Amaze car, and which he had sold it to a person in Belgavi, which we have already seized. And it has come to light that he has already frauded 5 banks in 9 branches. He has done in Karnataka Gramin Bank 2 branches, Bank of Baroda, Indian Overseas Bank in Karnataka 1 branch, in Goa 1 branch, Punjab National Bank, State Bank of India 2 branches, and Canara Bank in different years. There are 9 FIRs registered against this accused person, and with the joint efforts of Goa police and Karnataka police, he was arrested and brought to judicial custody. Brought to before the judges today for further investigation. While submitting the quotations to the bank, he used to create different bank accounts. He was forging the invoices or quotations and putting the names of other persons. The case in which we have arrested him, he used the name of Shamantak Subrao Kadakudi and a lady's name Kavita Mani Baswaraj. Both of these people have expired long back. When the accused person was interrogated, he revealed that he actually got these details when he was working in those insurance companies. He actually had access to the database of the insurance companies which he was working in the years 2019 to 21. He has worked in 2 insurance companies. He actually used that personal details and made account numbers or Aadhaar cards in his names, and then he used these details to create bank accounts, and he used these details in forging papers and cheating banks. So we have contacted Karnataka police as well, and the investigation is further on. We have found that in investigation one more accomplice is there in the name of a lady, which we suspect to be his wife. Further investigation will reveal those details, and we will take further action.